Once you log in, you'll discover curated ads showcasing the top current winning products across Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. At the top of the page, you'll see the main navigation menu. Then, you can head to the Ads tab to search through the different platforms. Let's take a look at Facebook ads. Now, straight away, you're served with hundreds of different ads currently running on Facebook. Here, you'll notice the advanced filtering system, designed to narrow down the ads to find the most interesting ones. This is truly where the magic happens, so pay close attention as I'll show you the best filters to use. Now, first, we aim to find a product that's still trending, so let's set the creation date to within the last 30 days. Since our focus is on dropshipping, we'll select Shopify as our e-commerce platform. Additionally, to focus specifically on finding a product, we'll search for ads that feature an e-commerce call to action. Now, let's move on to the final filter, a true game changer and a huge time saver. It enables us to sort ads based on the number of shares, which is the most reliable metric for gauging a product's virality. But let's say you're in a rush, feeling a bit lost, or even lazy. No worries, because Minea has you covered once again. Here you can explore our quick filters, made by our team with 10 years of experience in dropshipping to discover winning products instantly. Now you'll be presented with top winning products. You can still sort them if you prefer, but as you scroll down, you'll find a selection of these products along with the number of plays they've received, not to mention the shares and likes. Still with me? Great. Now let's dive into our winning products. Alright, take a look at what we've got here. Now, let's focus on this one as it seems to be performing exceptionally with a ton of shares, comments, and likes. Now, after reviewing the overview, let's click on See More to access more data. At the top, you'll find the ad's title and shop name running the ad. Below that, there's the video itself, which you can download for your own ad creative if desired. To the right of the video, you'll discover essential information about the ad, including the ad copy used to attract buyers. Now, scrolling down further, you'll come across an engagement graph that visually represents how the ad performed on a daily basis. Now, it appears that in the initial days, they were testing the ad's performance before ramping up their marketing efforts. Next, let's explore the audience analysis to understand the product's customer base. If you want to understand your competitors' advertising strategies, simply click the ads from the same shop button. And there you go. This reveals the same shop is running other ads on Facebook, the best performing ads, and various creatives they use. Now, as I mentioned at the start, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. By just observing what works for them, you can adapt and make it your own, eliminating guesswork. Now, you might be thinking, alright, I found a winning product, but now I have to go and spend a ton of time searching AliExpress to see if it's there. Well, no, because Minea saves you time by searching AliExpress for the product you found. Every ad has a search on AliExpress option. Just click it and Minea will locate different AliExpress sellers offering the product. Nice, right? As we finish, I want to introduce you to one last feature that's a real game changer, especially if you're concerned about copywriting or simply short on time. You're going to love it. Our AI can create a listing for your Shopify store. Let's say you want to sell this winning product in your shop. Just click Generate for Shopify and watch our AI do the work for you. Choose the language, title, key features, and images. Connect it to your Shopify store and voila, it's exported. Now, you're ready to discover your first winning product. I'll see you next time.